KATC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back and happy Thursday, everyone. As we head into the weekend, much better weather ahead overall, but we are not going to see a severe weather threat, at least close to home, but farther to the north, perhaps. These are all the severe weather reports going back through yesterday. A lot of wind damage and some tornadoes. And look at all the reports across the U.S. These are all the big snows off to the north and west, high winds that continue. We have some fires ongoing, and then all the severe weather reports close to home. But fortunately, we missed out on that. Thank goodness. We had some strong storms and about 1 inch to 2 inches of rain, and we needed the rain as well after some drought conditions as we started 2022 on kind of a dry note that goes back to fall of last year as well, late fall as well. So overall, quiet weather pattern across the Gulf South, but still winter storm warnings in the northwest, the same up across the high plains, the Midwest. This is still a blizzard warning, blowing snow, and there are wind advisories as well across much of the west and high wind warning. So maybe more fires busting out as we head into Friday and the weekend. Close to home, though, a beauty of a day with sunshine and some beautiful high-level cirrus clouds out there in some spots, creating a nice halo around the sun as well. So that was really cool to see, and just a beauty of a day. Now, overnight tonight, fair skies, but clouds coming back in by morning as we take a look at the graph model, which does an excellent job on cloud cover. And it's indicating we're going to be socked in with clouds at daybreak tomorrow. Maybe a few passing showers. The models want to go for 40-50%. Weather Service is going 0. We're going to split the difference and go 20, maybe 30% for tomorrow. A passing shower perhaps, but it's just going to be a nuisance shower. And then by the afternoon, all the models indicating that we're going to see sunny skies for your crawfish boils or Good Friday services. It's going to look good in the afternoon. Upper 70s to lower 80s for tomorrow. Clouds come back in tomorrow night. And this is going to be the MO going into the weekend. Plenty of cloud cover at night and then a little sun in the afternoon. Showers and storms off to the north of us, actually where there's a marginal risk of severe weather going into Saturday. We'll keep an eye making sure those storms stay to the north, and we do much the same on Sunday with plenty of clouds in the morning and a little sun in the afternoon and slight rain chances. Better rain chances, though, by Sunday night. We'll show you that in just a bit. Mid-60s overnight tonight. Tomorrow we'll see readings in the upper 70s to lower 80s. Should be a beauty of a day. Tomorrow night we'll see temperatures down closer to the lower 70s, so a little bit more humid there. And as we head into Saturday afternoon, low to mid 80s, and we'll copy and paste this and head into Sunday. And notice that feels like temperature getting up there just a little bit, and that's going to be the MO as we go through the entire weekend and for the next several months, where we have that temperature that feels like temperature warmer than the actual temperature. So clouds coming in by morning, fair skies though early tomorrow. Cloudy day, but a mixture of sun and clouds as we get deeper into the afternoon. We'll touch 80 for the afternoon high. As we move forward, Saturday, Sunday, slight rain chances, 30% Saturday. On Easter Sunday, we're looking still pretty good, although as we take a look at the European model, showers and storms just to the north of us, as we indicated Saturday. They may try to bleed in here Saturday, and then Sunday looking good, more active weather off to our east or to the north, but eventually a front pushes on through, and that'll bring us a nice Monday and a couple of days thereafter that look pretty good. That 40% is for early Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday looking fantastic. And as we go toward the end of next week, getting a little bit warmer and more humid. And guess what? Those 80s are starting to win out over the 70s for highs, as it so often does as we get into the latter part of April and head toward May. And there's no looking back until we get to October.
That's right. Thank you, Rob.
All right. Thanks, Rob.